Tell me what you have. What do you have? What is that?
Yes,
What do you have? What's wrong?
it hurt.
It hurt? What is it called?
So hurt.
Your throat hurts?
Mm-hmm.
But didn't you just do something?
Yeah.
What?
Drinks.
You drank
Yeah.
water? What else?
It was.
Are you gonna rest? You don't ever rest. What is it called when you go like this?
Hiccups.
Hiccups? Do you have hiccups?
Yeah.
You do? Do you think you should stay home from school? Well, for the hiccups? Okay. I'll think about it. All right? Okay, I'm done thinking. You're going to school. Sorry.